हाय। एडवर्ड्स इन हिंदी की नई वीडियो सीरीज नीड टू नो में आपका स्वागत है। In this video, we learn about automatic and manual payments and how you can switch between them. Automatic payments is a payment setting in AdWords using which you first accrue the advertising costs, then have these costs automatically charged to your primary payment method. A primary payment method is the instrument you use to pay for your AdWords costs, such as a credit card. On automatic payments, we charge you for your advertising costs 30 days after your last automatic charge, or whenever your account reaches a predetermined amount known as a payment threshold, whichever comes first. You can still make a manual payment even if your account is set to automatic payment setting. The money will be used for future clicks and it will reduce your next automatic charge. Manual payments is a payment setting in AdWords that allows you to make payments before your ads run. As long as you've got the money in your account to pay for the ads, your ads will continue to run. Just don't forget to replenish your account. We send you an email when the money in your account gets low, about a week's worth of your budget, and again when it's gone. To switch from automatic to manual payments, ensure that all of your advertising dues have been paid off and you have a credit balance which is enough to cover the next 7 days of your ad serving. You can then reach out to the AdWords support team to make the switch, since this is not something you can do on your own at the moment. You can switch from manual payments to automatic payments at any point in time. To do this, visit the Billing and Payment section of the AdWords account. From the left-hand side panel, choose Settings. Select the How You Pay option and select Automatic Payments. It's important to note that to do this, you will have to add a valid credit card, which will be charged once costs are accrued. You can post your questions in the comment section below. To know more, refer to the links mentioned in the description. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more such content.